Collocations for beginners. Words that go together. English learning. Hi everyone, welcome to quizReal-life, your go-to place for learning English. I'm Alexandra, and today we're going to talk about collocations, words that often go together. Let's get started. Intro to collocations. So what are collocations? Collocations are pairs or groups of words that are often used together. They sound right to native speakers, even if they're not grammatically necessary. For example, we say, make a decision, not do a decision. Let's look at some common collocations. Section 1, verb plus noun collocations. First up, we have verb and noun collocations. Here are a few examples. Make a decision, when you decide something. Take a break, when you stop working for a short time. Do homework, when you complete assignments from school. Let's see these in sentences. I need to make a decision about my future. Let's take a break and have some coffee. She always does her homework after school. Section 2, adjective plus noun collocations. Next, let's look at adjective and noun collocations. Here are some examples. Strong coffee, coffee with a lot of caffeine. Heavy rain, very intense rain. Bright future, a future filled with success and happiness. Here they are in sentences. I need a cup of strong coffee to wake up. We had heavy rain last night. She has a bright future ahead of her. Section 3, adverb plus verb collocations. Now let's explore adverb and verb collocations. Check these out. Deeply regret, to be very sorry about something. Strongly recommend, to suggest something very firmly. Fully understand, to completely comprehend something. In sentences, I deeply regret my mistake. I strongly recommend this book. Do you fully understand the instructions? Section 4, practice activity. Great job so far. Now, let's practice. I'll give you a word and you try to think of a collocation. Ready? What verb goes with decision? That's right, make a decision. What adjective goes with rain? Yes, heavy rain. What adverb goes with regret? Exactly. Deeply regret. Section 5. Wrap up. Fantastic. You've learned some common collocations. Remember, using collocations will make your English sound more natural. Keep practicing and try to notice collocations when you read or listen to English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, leave a comment below with your favorite collocation or any questions you have. Thanks for watching. See you next time on quizReal-life. Bye!